want to quickly touch on magnesium just because I believe that we're all deficient in it. I take a supplement for it. Essentially, you know, our soil has been so depleted that our food no longer really has a lot of magnesium concentration in it, but it is so imperative to our immunity. And I think that most people don't even recognize that they are deficient. So I just wanted to read off of a few things that it is common to. So it's can be used as a beneficial probiotic to build positive biofilm structures, right? So it's helps with bowel motility. It helps with over 300 enzyme systems that operate, you know, our entire body, right? So it's required for digestion, elimination, sleep, vitamin D function, brain and bone health. It's required for serotonin. Who doesn't want serotonin, right? We all want to be happy. So you need magnesium so that it can help produce serotonin, the neurotransmitter that's responsible for relaxation and that happy feeling. So it also helps build muscles via insulin-like growth, your IGF-1, right? And it helps prevent asthma, heart attacks, psychiatric disorders, diabetes, migraines, frequent urination, reduces the damage of stress on the nerves. And it's absolutely necessary for the thyroid hormone. And it also helps in activating like your bone building, right? So like the bone health, and because it regulates the osteoclast activity. And it's actually more important to your bone strength than calcium. Fun fact. It can reduce your chocolate cravings, even though chocolate provides magnesium. I'm just saying. It's one of the reasons you could eat dark chocolates. Enhances insulin receptivity. And on and on and on. So she has like this cool little magnesium self-test, and you can kind of see if you're experiencing these symptoms, then you are probably deficient, and you can kind of count them, and depending on where you're at, she kind of lets you know maybe you're only this much deficient, or maybe you're like this much deficient, right? So there's also sprays, because your body is able to absorb magnesium oil much better than it does a supplement. So just wanted to touch on that. Even if you're not on this protocol, I definitely recommend a magnesium supplement for sure. That and cod liver oil. Those are like the two that I think everyone is, and vitamin D. Just kidding, there's 3. I just think everyone's deficient in, you know, vitamin D. We're not outside as much as we used to be in our primal state, right? A lot of us work inside, and we get very little sun, and it's the source of vitamin D. So supplementing helps. Getting sun is even better if you can go out on your breaks, but you're still going to be deficient. So vitamin D, magnesium, and then your cod liver oil, which is your fish oil, which is your vision, your brain, your joint, your cardiovascular, your skin health, right? So all of these things, it helps support that function, and most of us don't get enough of fish oil, omega-3s into our diet because it's in, you know, sardines, it's in wild salmon, not fresh farm-raised salmon, which is what most people are eating, which is what you'll get in the restaurants. So unless you're eating, you know, salmon and sardines, mackerels every day, you're probably not getting enough of a source of your fish oil, which is important, again, to brain, vision, cardiovascular, skin, joints, bone, everything. It's essential. Essential means your body cannot produce it, right? So I'll link below. It has nothing to do with the program, but I'll link below which one I take daily. I take 2 teaspoons in the liquid form because it's concentrated. If you guys are getting it in the capsule form, you're gonna have to take like 10 to even equal the amount that you would even need. So anyway, that's my little side rant. I will catch you in the next video.